Welcome to Money Mindset Lab, the channel where we don't just talk about money. We rewire how you think about money. If you've been told your entire life that just save more money and you'll be rich one day, then this video might completely change your mindset. Because today, we are exposing a dangerous myth: saving money alone will not make you rich. Don't get me wrong, saving is important. But if saving was enough, every frugal person would already be wealthy. So stay with me till the end, because once you understand this, you'll never look at money the same way again. Let me ask you something. If saving money made people rich, why are most millionaires not extreme savers? Why do teachers, workers, and employees, who save every month still struggle financially? And why do people who earn more often get rich faster even if they don't save much at the start? Here's the uncomfortable truth: saving money protects you, but it does not grow you. Saving is defensive. Wealth is offensive. Imagine this: you save $500 every month for 30 years. That's discipline. That's effort. But at the end, you still won't be rich. Because inflation, rising costs, and missed opportunities slowly eat away at your savings. So if saving isn't the answer, what actually makes people rich? Let's break it down. 1. Saving has a hard limit. There's a simple problem with saving money. You can only save what's left after expenses. You can't save more than 100% of your income. So no matter how disciplined you are, your savings are capped. But wealth isn't built with limits. Rich people focus on increasing income, not just cutting expenses. They don't ask, "How can I save more?" They ask, "How can I earn more?" 2. Inflation is quietly stealing your money. Here's something schools never teach. Money sitting in a savings account loses value every year. If inflation is 5% and your savings earn 2%, you are actually getting poorer. Your money looks safe, but its buying power is shrinking. That's why rich people hate idle cash. They want their money to move, work, and multiply. 3. Rich people use saving differently. This is important. Poor and middle-class mindset: save money to feel safe. Rich mindset: save money to deploy it. Rich people don't save forever. They save temporarily, then invest, build, or acquire assets. Savings is not the destination. It's the starting point. 4. Wealth comes from assets, not accounts. Let's be very clear. No one gets rich from a savings account. People get rich from businesses, investments, skills that pay more, digital assets, real estate, scalable income. Savings don't create wealth. Assets do. Saving without investing is like collecting fuel but never starting the engine. 5. The real formula for wealth. Here's the formula no one tells you. 1. Earn. 2. Save some. 3. Invest. 4. Reinvest. 5. Let time do the work. Saving is just step 2, not the whole journey. If you stop at saving, you stop before wealth even begins. 6. Why people stay broke even after saving. Many people save for years but never change their income source. They never upgrade skills, never take calculated risks, never invest. So their money just sits while time passes. That's not financial discipline. That's financial fear. And fear never builds wealth. 7. What you should do instead. Here's the smarter approach. 1. Save for emergencies. 2. Control expenses. 3. Increase your income. 4. Learn investing. 5. Build or buy assets. Use saving as a tool, not a life goal. Because safety alone won't make you rich. Growth will. So let's recap. Saving money is important, but it's not enough. Saving keeps you stable. Investing makes you wealthy. If your entire financial plan is just save more, then you're playing defense forever. And wealth is built by those who play offense. If this video changed how you think about money, hit like, it really helps the channel. Subscribe to Money Mindset Lab for real financial truths they don't teach in school. And comment below, assets over savings, if you're ready to upgrade your money mindset. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, think smarter about money. Money bag emoji.